again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for the chainsaw in Kentucky. Connex 4300-300. Chainsaw got you ready to go. Start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, about 175 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 485 PEP. Using this old Ranger mic. Now I've got this old school Ranger external speaker here. Turn the talk back on.
1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Get down. 1 2 3 4 5.
Crystal clear talk back. Of course, speaker further away, you need to crank it some more. But all right, it's ready to go for you, bud. I hope you enjoy it in your friend truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.